How to lend on KuCoin, quick and easy tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and I bring you back with yet another cryptocurrency video. If you want to keep on checking crypto videos, please subscribe to the channel because I upload them every now and then, and they are extremely helpful and they will get you across crypto and help you in anything you require. So in this video, I'm going to be helping you through KuCoin. So what's KuCoin? KuCoin is a platform for cryptocurrencies, but it earns you passive income, which is a great feature about it. Passive income is better than normal income, in my opinion. And it's very easy. If you want to buy, sell, withdraw, stake any type of cryptocurrency, then KuCoin does it in the easiest and most simplest ways. And we're going to get right into it. I'm going to teach you how you can use it. There are some different features, different tabs that look a bit complex, look a bit difficult, but I'm just going to walk you through them. They're very simple, very easy. And by the end of this, you're going to learn how to buy, sell, withdraw, stake, any type of passive income or crypto that you want. So first of all, let's go and write KuCoin. Once you do that, you're going to come here, and the first link, KuCoin.com, you're just going to click on that. And once you click on it, obviously we're going to need to sign up. So let's go on sign up. Now, the good thing about KuCoin is that it doesn't really ask all these personal details to verify yourself. It just gets you signed up and gets you straight into it. You don't need to give any major personal details to verify. Like many websites ask for your passport or your national identity card or your social security number, but you don't need to give that over here. So here you're just going to put in your email and you're just going to generate any type of password, and then we're just going to sign up. And after we've signed up, this is going to ask for our verification. So we're just going to do that. And once our verification is successful, it's just going to send us a verification code on our email. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Now, once you put in your verification code, you're just going to click on activate account. And there you go, registration successful. We have now fully activated our account, and that's how easy it is in KuCoin. So yeah, let me walk you through everything now, because as you can see, it's that simple. It doesn't ask you any other personal specific information. As you can see, it's that simple. It doesn't ask you any other personal details. So let's get into it now. I'm going to show you the basics of KuCoin, the basic interface. So yeah, this is the basic interface. In this tab, we have buy crypto, and in buy crypto, we can just buy crypto with our Visa, MasterCard, or fiat balance. Then there's the P2P bank transfers, in which we have 20 plus different options for banks. And then there's the third party, where you can buy crypto using third party platforms like Pansha, Simplex, BTC Direct, whatever you like. And if you go in markets, obviously you're going to see the different markets of different cryptocurrencies. For example, Bitcoin, I'm going to show you right here. You're going to go right there. And there we go. We can see different types of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. And you can see the different prices, different exchange rates, market caps. And we can even go on details and see the charts, the graphs. We can go on trade. Over here, we can see the different memes that have... as you can see, Dogecoin, Shiba Coin, whatever you like. We can go on NFTs, and we can see the NFTs that are on rise, like, for example, Flow, Ape, CHZ, Mana, whatever you like. So yeah, this is basically the markets, and you can view the markets from here. If we go on trade, we can go to spot trading, margin trading, convert. These are basically the graphs and the margins that you want to look through. But these are proper crypto incomes. Now, if we want to go on passive income, we're going to go on earn. And we're going to talk about two features today. We're going to talk about crypto lending, in which we lend out crypto to earn interest, and KCS bonus, because these are two features, and I'm just going to get right into these two. But before getting into them, I'm just going to give a brief overview of these. KuCoin Earn is invest to earn stable profits through a professional asset. This is a new feature, and this will take us to a new website, so we're not going to go on that. This is a totally different feature. If you want to try it, you can, by all means, but I would not recommend it. Spotlight is KuCoin token launch platform. This is basically the different types of KuCoin tokens that can earn us different types of interests. KuCoin Pool is, as it says, a pool for different types of cryptocurrencies. Cloud mining is, as it says, different types of cloud minings. So right now, we're just going to get right into KCS bonus, and I'm going to show you the gist of everything. So yeah, once we click on KCS bonus, we're going to get loaded up to this page, and here we go. Now, what is KCS bonus? KCS bonus is basically type of cryptocurrency that KuCoin has of its very own. So I think right now the KCS bonus goes for around $12, I guess. Obviously, you have to check the charts to see if the price rises or if the price drops. But yeah, this is basically KCS bonus. Now, what KCS bonus does is that if we have lended any type of crypto to anyone in KuCoin, what happens is that it takes an annual rate of that and it takes a mean out of it. And the mean value that it gets from the interest that we've gained, it takes a small percentage of that. And from that small percentage, it takes basically the amount of KuCoins that will come from it, the KuCoin bonus that will come from it, KCS basically. And then it will transfer that to this place. And this is where we're going to get our bonuses. And we can use those bonuses to get more interest rates. And that's how amazing this is, because KCS bonus just keeps giving you profit according to the graph, obviously. And I'd recommend you do use this and get into this because it's a great feature. And yeah, so basically KCS bonus is KuCoin bonus, or KCS holding is a type of cryptocurrency that KuCoin provides us itself. Now, if you want to deposit or withdraw KCS bonuses, we can just do it by here. And it's very easy. It's the basic steps. You're just going to need to put in your bank details. And yeah, after that, you're just going to withdraw whatever you like. Now, for the main part, if we go on crypto lending, we're going to click on that. And once we do that, it's going to take us to this page. Now, as you can see, once we are on this page, you're going to have to enable margin trading if you want to access this page. So just do that, confirm that, and look at that. So here's the crypto lending page. Now, it may look complex, but don't worry. I'm going to walk you right through it, and it's going to look so simple to you. So here are different markets. For example, USDT, which is US dollar tethering. Here's Bitcoin, Ethereum, different types of cryptos. Now, whatever type of crypto you want to get set in, you're just going to click on that, and you're going to see the different graphs of these cryptos. What you're going to want to look at is the daily interest rate and annualized rate. So what annualized rate does is that it's the amount of interest you'll get. For example, if we go on some crypto with, yeah, look at this. Ethereum is on an annualized rate of 4.74. So for example, if I were to invest $1,000 to Ethereum right now, a year later, it might go from 1,000 to 1,050. So that's just a rough estimate, to be honest. But yeah, that's basically the gist of what could happen potentially. And yeah, you have to make sure you keep looking at the daily interest rate, because that is also, for example, if it drops, like it came from 0.019% to 0.013%. So yeah, that's not a good look, obviously. So I'd still recommend you go to USDT, because USDT is the most stable one. It doesn't fluctuate a lot. So yeah, right now it's dropped for some reason, but in the recent weeks, it was, as you can see, it was around 35%. So for example, if you want to invest $1,000 in a year, it would be around $1,300 to $1,400, which is insane if you think about it. So yeah, basically, this is how you look at the different values and charts and graphs. Now, I'm going to show you how you can lend any type of amount. So, for example, go on any type of cryptocurrency. You're going to go on amount. And, for example, you want to lend 0.5 of USDT that you have. First of all, you're going to have to buy this cryptocurrency, obviously, because you're lending it. You're not buying it first. So, you're going to buy it. And, for example, I have 1 USDT. So, I'm just going to put in how much I want to lend. So, I'm going to lend 0.5 USDT to some other person. And the rest of the 0.5, I want to keep it in my account. Once you do that, you're going to click on the terms you want. You're going to put in your daily interest rate, and then you're going to click on lend USDT. Or if you're on BTC, it's going to say lend BTC, whatever you like. Now, once you've done that, you're going to come down here and you're going to see the lends you've made down here. So if it's unsettled, basically if it's still on the market, then it's going to come in unsettled. But if someone's bought it, then it's going to come in settled. And here are the open orders. For example, the orders you have done. If you go in order history, you're going to see the history of all your old orders. So yeah, basically that's how this works. And one other small feature is auto lend. What auto lend does is that auto lend basically lends out small amounts of funds from your trades. And yeah, it basically the unreserved funds that are in your trades, it automatically lends out a very small tiny value of them for your benefit, because from that what happens is the daily your interest, it rises, and that just your interest rate, it rises. And what that does is it gives you profit. So auto lend is a great feature, but obviously do it if you have a lot of assets and funds in your account. If you have a low amount of funds, then I would recommend you to keeping this off and just using it manually. So yeah, that's basically the main interface of KuCoin, and I hope this tutorial was easy to you. If you have any issues with the video, let me know down in the video. If you have any problems, you can let me know down in the comments, and I'll write back to you ASAP. And yeah, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel because that helps me out, share the video, and yeah, leave a nice comment. And I hope you all have a great day, and yeah, goodbye.